Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell from my face, I don't have any makeup on in this video and I'm going to tell you why. So obviously this year I haven't really been able to go out and get facials done because you know what's going on. So I've come up with a solution and I'm going to be trying out an at-home facial. And as usual, I just wanted to come here and share it with you guys. So for today's facial, I'm going to be using this kit by Pond's. So this is the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. They actually have two options in this. There's a charcoal facial kit and a vitamin facial kit. But this is the one that I opted for because this is for brightening and that's exactly what I need in this festive season. So as you can tell from my face, it does look very dull. I have a few spots right here. I have a couple of tan here on my forehead. By the way, this facial kit costs only ₹300. I think this is going to be like the cheapest facial kit I've ever tried. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Before I get started with this facial, I just wanted to show you guys what is there inside the kit and just talk about it a little bit. So inside this kit, there are 6 different containers right here. So there are 6 steps to this facial. So this is the first time I'm going to be trying it out myself. So whatever it is I feel, I will tell you guys in this video. I'm just going to be very honest. Step number 1 is this cleanser right here. Also, can we just say how cute this whole kit is? It just comes in these tiny containers. So I can just take exactly how much I need for this one facial and then I can just keep the rest for the next time. So looking at these containers, I think I can definitely use these facials for like 2 to 3 times. So the first one we have is this cleanser. It is infused with vitamin E and it's supposed to gently remove away all impurities. So it's a very gentle cleanser. Step number 2 is a scrub. Of course, if you guys have taken facials before, you know that there's always a scrub involved. So this scrub is supposed to exfoliate all the dead skin layers of your face. Step number 3, we have this nourishing creme. It is infused with vitamin D3 and vitamin E and it's just supposed to really hydrate the skin. And because I have dry skin, during this time of the year when it gets slightly colder here in Chennai, my skin does start looking very dull as it is looking right now. So I really need this step number 3. Next we have step number 4, which is a massage cream. And this is supposed to moisturize our skin and help give it that healthy glow. Step number 5, which is the face mask. Of course, no facial is complete without a face mask. So this is probably the most important step. And this also is infused with vitamin B3 and vitamin E. Final step, which is the finishing cream. Of course, the last and final moisturizer that you're going to apply. And this as well is infused with vitamin B3. Open this up. Smells really good. Okay, I'm just gonna give this a nice little shake. So I'm just taking like that much.
Okay, so first we have the cleanser. So I'm just taking a small amount on my palm and then I'm just applying it all over my face and I'm just going to gently massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then after that I'm just going to wipe it off with a moist cotton or with a towel. Here I'm just doing it with a towel. Step number 2 is the scrub. So I'm just again taking the required amount, applying it all over my face and then I'm just going to massage the scrub in very nicely for 2 to 3 minutes till it like nicely cleans my face. And then I'm going to wash it off. Then step number 3, we have the nourishing creme. So again, I'm taking the required amount and then I'm just applying it all over my face. Now this, I'm just going to keep massaging it on my face till it's like nice and absorbed into my skin. And then next we have step number 4, which is again another massage cream. Now that was a creme. Now this is a massage cream and this I'm going to apply on my neck and my face. And then I'm just going to massage this for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are moving on to the most important step, which is the face mask. So I'm just going to apply the face mask all over the face. And then I'm just going to let it sit for like 10 minutes or till it's like completely dry and wash it off. And this is how my face looks like. I can actually see a difference. You guys tell me if you can see it too. And then we're not done yet, guys. So we have the last and final step, which is the finishing cream. Of course, after every face mask, you're supposed to apply a moisturizer or something. So this routine finishes with a moisturizer. This is the finishing cream. Again, taking the required amount and then just applying it really nicely all over my face and neck. Don't forget the neck.
Okay guys, so that was the last and final step. I've applied the final moisturizer cream and this is what my skin looks like right now. I don't know about you guys, but I can definitely see a difference. My skin does look much brighter. You guys let me know in the comment section down below, does my skin look brighter or what? I do 100% see a glow. I can see my face, there's a mirror right here. I do definitely see a nice healthy glow. But yeah, I love how my skin feels though. My skin feels so soft and hydrated. It really felt like I was actually in a salon, but instead of someone else doing it for me, I was doing it on myself. I also feel like it has detanned a certain area. My forehead definitely looks much more even toned, and then also around my mouth area. These are the two areas where I get tanned very easily. So yeah, I'm actually really very pleasantly surprised with this facial, and all of this was just 300 rupees. Okay guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So as usual, I will link all of the product links in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. Also, Amazon has some pretty good deals going on this facial kit, so I'll also leave a direct Amazon link in the description box below. Honestly, it's just 300 rupees, so just go and try it out. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to try it. Also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
It's my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the